How to remove DuckDuckGo search from Google Chrome. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate the steps to remove your DuckDuckGo as a default search engine on Google Chrome. So whenever a new tab is opened, DuckDuckGo currently serves as a search engine, but we want to change this to Google. In order to alter this setting, begin by opening a new tab, accessing the three dots in the right-hand side of the screen in the top. And when you click on it, go ahead and click on the settings option that is just below the help. Now locate the search engine option that is just below the appearance option. Click on it, and now simply go ahead and click on this change option that is beside the DuckDuckGo. Click on it, and here you can see the various options of Google, Microsoft Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, and Yandex. If you'd like to set this setup for Google Chrome, simply go ahead and check this box over here and click on Set as Default. And after selecting Google, ensure that it is set as default search engine by managing the search engines accordingly. And once these adjustments are completed, it is advisable to close Chrome and reopen it. Upon opening a new tab, you will observe that the Google icon is now displayed and any searches made will be conducted through the Google search engine. So this was all about how to remove DuckDuckGo search from the Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.